Before you begin, ensure the machine is on level ground. The camera number should be visible on a majority of the camera brackets. The left boom has camera 1 on the breakaway through 16 on the inside. The center frame follows the same pattern with camera 17 on the left side to camera 20 on the right side. The right boom has 21 on the inside and 36 on the breakaway. Once the camera is located, place the calibration mat on the left and right side of the camera the long way, with the arrow facing the boom. The boom should be set to 20 inches or 0.5 meters high. Both mats should be placed roughly 1 foot from the boom or 0.3 meters, and roughly 1 foot apart or 0.3 meters apart. Verify mats are in view by selecting the image processor for the camera being calibrated. Scroll until the desired camera is found and select it. Scroll through the cameras until the associated camera number is found. Select the image on the screen. Notice the blue number at the bottom of the screen. These are your yaw, pitch, and roll values. These values should not be more than plus or minus 3 degrees. If they are, brackets may need to be adjusted or a shim kit may need to be installed. Go back to the home screen. Go to the main menu, then calibrations and procedures. Go to the boom and select See and Spray camera calibration. Begin calibration, then select single camera and then next. Select the same image processor as we did earlier when checking the camera image. Then the desired camera and select OK. Verify both prerequisites have the green check mark and click Next. Calibration will begin and may take a couple of minutes. Finally, save the calibration to complete.